join me to learn how to make this wonderful little thank you card. We're going to start with the note cards and envelopes. There's our envelope, there's our note card. We're going to fold it in half, burnish it, set that aside. We're going to stamp our thank you with Pretty Peacock. The thank you is from the Something Fancy stamp set, but you can certainly use whatever you have on hand. Set that aside, and we're going to bring in Cherry Cobbler, and this is the Enjoy the Journey Designer Series paper. Very pretty, lots of different designs to choose from. Put that there. Look at how easy this is. You could easily make a bunch of these all at one time. I think that's the way I want this one to go. And now to decorate my envelope, I'm going to bring in the Magical Meadow stamp and Shaded Spruce. We're going to stamp once and stamp off. There we go. We're done. Thanks for joining me.